I just ordered potted David Austin roses for fall delivery. I'm in zone 6. Can I plant roses in September and October? And this is Lady KO on YouTube. Interesting question. So let's start here. Let's go to zone 6, shall we? All right. So plants should be able to withstand temperatures between -10 and 0. So that's your zone 6. Can she plant her roses in the fall in zone 6?
I think that there would be some times when you might get good root growth and a good opportunity to establish. You want to be careful not to get them in too late.
So that's going to be my thing. Yeah, you could do that in September and October, but I wouldn't plant too late.
Right.
All right. Or you can plant in the spring. All right. I would do it in the spring, of course. I would wait probably until the end of April, beginning of May to do so in zone 6. And I think you would be just fine doing that. All right. So yeah, I will wait till the threat of frost passes, plant it in the spring. Make sure that the soil is workable to do that. Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.